Hey up guys, it's me again. Another package, so let's see what's inside this one. Just gonna pop it open with a wee scalpel here. Some more tarantulas, because the weather seems to be getting a bit better now. And to be honest, if you're living in Aberdeen, I really have to take a chance when the weather's like even semi-decent. These are from, no, I can't remember the seller's name on Reptile Forums. Again, I always do this. But I will find out, and I will add it to the description at the bottom. But these are from a bloke on the Reptile Forums anyway. RF UK, Reptile Forums UK. So we have got a little polystyrene chips. Insulated top. And probably the box with the goodies in it. It's in here. Just gonna pop that there for now. Just check in here. Got a heat pack, which is perfect. It's still warm, and this is actually quite late on at night. It's 4:07 at night. Because I had to rush out because the postman normally comes at 10 o'clock. He came at 1:30. No, 12:30, sorry, today. So had to rush out, but I'm sure they'll be fine. The items that I have ordered. Now, it's actually one of my favourite species. So I think there's a lot of people's favourite species until they get one. Seems to be the case, and then they're just like, oh, these are not what I thought they would be. And it puts them off. But I've had a couple and it has never put me off before. So this one I've got just now is a lot angrier than my last one. My last one was a bit of a pussycat. I wonder if you can guess what it is. Yeah, that I've got. So we've got another box. We got more of these gorgeous green polystyrene things, and inside, let's count these. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vials. Should just be 8 in there. So many of it. So yeah, that's fine. I'll just show you one of them. I'm a bit dubious to do this, to be honest with you, because of the species they are, but I will risk it. Don't try this at home. So, I haven't got my tongs, but I can't see it being big enough to be that scary. This could end hilariously wrong, by the way, so. Oh, it's alive, definitely. Hello, little fella. Alright, so that there, what we have there, you can see it, is one of 8 Haplopelma lividum, the cobalt blue. I have ordered 8. Yes, that is right. 8 of Satan's little helpers have come to my door today. So I just pop him away, and I guess I'll find some pill vials to put them into for just now, and is that kind of size. So yeah, that is today's order. And wish me luck with houses in these. I might try and make a rehousing video, but I can't. The bathroom is not a great place to do them, so well, I might try. But that's cool. See you guys later.